Did you ever wish that you were able to lock your tab on your Google Chrome browser? Not only on Google Chrome but any of the other browsers as well, and this works for not only on Windows but also on macOS or Linux devices. Here, if I currently open up my Google Chrome browser, you can see I have added multiple profiles to it. To access these profiles, there isn't any sort of protection installed, so if someone logs into the computer, they will easily be able to access my profile, be able to view all of my watch history, saved history, and whatever I have been doing. This feature is especially needed if you are working in a corporate office where you do not trust your co-workers. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Once we are here on our browser, just go to the top of the screen and type in Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link, which is chromewebstore.google.com. Once we are here, from the top of the search bar, simply search for Lock Browser. There will be various sorts of extension. I'll use the first one because it has a decent rating. I would recommend you do the same. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of these browser extensions, and I will make sure to drop a direct link for this particular extension down in the description box below. Once you have the extension, on the right hand side click on the Add to Chrome button and grant the permission by clicking on Add Extension. Now you can see Lock Our Browser extension has been successfully added. Click on the extensions icon from the top right hand side and click on the pin button to pin the extension to the top of your extensions list. Once you have pinned the extension, click on the extensions icon from the top right hand side, then click on Open Settings. Now, just click on the Start Now button. You have to create your free account. Now, this account is needed along with your email address because in case in the future you forgot the password that you set, you can use these in order to reset it. Which is why it is important for you to fill out these properly and give a proper email address that you have got access to. On the last tab, simply choose your browser password. Make sure that there are at least 6 digits and retype them again. Then click on the Register button. Once you've done that, you can see all of these options. It's going to ask you to verify your email for security. So click on the Validate button. Click on the Submit Code button. It has successfully sent a code to my email. So I'll open up a new tab and I'll log into my email. Again I repeat, this verification step is necessary so that in future if you forgot your password, you could use this to reset it. If you don't see the mail, go towards the left hand side and go to the Spam folder. Here you can see I have received email verification from Browser Lock. Now, I'll simply go ahead and then copy the code. Then I'll come back to the previous tab and I'll paste the code. Then, click on the Validate button to confirm it. Now our Browser Lock has successfully been enabled. On this page, you can customize a couple of settings. You can turn on Auto Lock, run in the background that I want. Start state, you can restore with history, start with a URL, or start with a new tab. I will select Start with a new tab. Lock duration, set this to the maximum, which is 1 minute. Maximum incorrect attempts after 5. Do you want your history to be cleared when there is too many incorrect attempts? I will select Don't Clear because obviously some of the histories are really important to me. Now once I've done all of this, I can just click on this Apply Changes button. Now let us experiment this. I'm simply going to close my browser. Now I'm going to reopen Google Chrome again. I will select the exact profile where I have installed that extension. And as I've done that, you can see it's now asking me for my browser password. No matter what I do, I will not be able to access that profile without entering my browser password. In case in the future you happen to forget your password, you can click on Forgot Password to reset using the email address you provided. But if your password is correct, now you click the Login button, you'll be successfully logged in. And of course, you can repeat this same step for any of the other profiles that are important to you. If all of the other profiles are also important, you can go ahead and then lock them as well following the similar steps. and this way we can lock our browser on our PC. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. This is a fairly new channel to me, and I'll make sure to update you and upload more helpful tips and tutorials like this. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.